Hey Penny Pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, Shelley, and today I'm coming to you with these upcycled candlesticks that I did. So if you want to see how I changed and transformed them, just keep on watching. So I've had these two candle stands for a very long time. I think I picked them up at a yard sale like 12 years or something like that ago. And I was getting ready to put them in the Goodwill box that I dropped off this week. But then I saw, I was watching a video of Babyface and saw these beautiful black candle stands here that you can see in the background. So I went ahead and took mine back out of the box, and I am going to recreate what Babyface has. I think they are absolutely beautiful, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get some spray paint, change my color to black, and then we'll do some decor arrangements and see how they turn out. I also have this small vase that I've also had for a very long time. That was also in the Goodwill box. I took that out as well. I'm going to give it a coat of metallic gold spray, and then we're going to style it with the black candles. Guys, here you will see me spraying 3 candlesticks as opposed to the 2, and that's because I found this one that was a pair. One of them broke, so I just decided to add it to the cluster. For this project, I'm using Rust-Oleum in gold metallic for this little vase, and I use the Rust-Oleum black as well for the candle stands. Okay guys, this is how they turned out. You can see here that I added a third one. This was a glass candlestick that I had. One of them broke, so I just added this one to the lot. I think they look absolutely elegant, so beautiful. I am so happy that I did not put this in the Goodwill bag. I'm so happy that I took them out. And this is how the vase turned out. Just absolutely gorgeous. I have added these flameless candles to them, and I think it's just absolutely beautiful. I will go ahead again and insert the ones that Babyface had on his piano when he did that video, and I think these turned out quite comparable. Leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys think. Here I have just put the candle stands inside the tray by themselves. And then off to the side, I am displaying the vase, elevated by these DIY books that I did. I will include a link or an iCard for you to go ahead and check out that video. Well, here they are. I am truly happy with the way they turned out. I couldn't have been more happy. Okay, so here you can see that I'm using the very same tray. Pretty much everything is the same, with the exception of the vase. I have elevated on this gold candle stand just to give it a little bit of height, and I've kept the same candles and of course the stars of the show, these black candle stands, just to give you a different look. And that is all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Why don't you go ahead and leave me a comment below and let me know how you like this transformation. And before you go, I would love for you to head on over to my second channel, Cooking with Shelley, where I share the most mouth-watering Jamaican recipes. Go ahead, check it out, and if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe. And thanks again so much for watching, guys. I truly do appreciate your presence. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you like what you see, I would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And don't you forget that notification bell. That way you are the first to know when I upload videos such as this. And to my lovely Penny Pinchers, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, ChelomieC, saying bye-bye.